Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, the number which have more than 2 factors are called which numbers? A whole number with exactly 2 factors, that is 1, and that number itself is a prime number, while a number means a whole number which have more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Means there are 2 types of numbers, prime numbers and composite number. Now from this definition we can say that 1 is not prime nor composite because 1 has only factor, that 1 itself. So our answer here is composite number.